Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. Tonight we're going to be cooking some chicken drumsticks and some asparagus in this dual zone 11-quart air fryer from Midea. And as always, guys, if at the ending of the video you want to purchase this awesome air fryer from Midea and help support the channel, make sure you check out the link in the description below because we do get a commission if you purchase this air fryer. And of course, before getting started, just want to thank the good folks out at Midea for sending me this air fryer to review. Let's get started. Before getting started, just want to give you guys a size reference just so you get a better idea for the overall size of this air fryer. Here it is next to a standard paper towel roll. And here is your side view. On the top, you have your 6-quart basket. On the bottom, you have your 5-quart space. And again, just to give you an idea for the overall size of the 6-quart basket, here is a standard 12-inch ruler. Pretty much both sides are the same dimension. Alright, let's get you guys a measurement of the depth of this basket with the non-stick tray on the inside. So if that's 3 inches right here, 3.5 right there, and it's just short of 3 3/4. What we're looking at here is your bottom compartment, and I just want to give you guys a rough measurement as to how much space you have between the pan and the top of the ceiling of this bottom compartment. Just in case you're walking through the frozen food section and you see a Chicago deep dish pizza and you're like, I wonder if this is going to fit. So just kind of eyeballing it. 2 1/4 inches is not going to make it. To be safe, I would keep it right around 2 inches, guys. Let's have a look at your bottom tray. Really not much to it height-wise. Probably about the height of a finger. And looks like about the same dimensions as the top tray. And here is a standard 12-inch ruler. Same dimensions. Alright, what we're looking at is the top of the air fryer. Now, you can control the air fryer from the top of the unit itself or through an app on your phone or your tablet. I'm going to try to do it through the app, but for now, I'm going to show you around the controls on the top of this unit. It's very simple. As you can see, we are presented with two options. We can either choose to use the upper or the lower compartments. We're going to be using both, so I'm going to select both. Now we got on the right side of the air fryer blinking at us. This is the lower compartment. It's asking us for information. What do you want me to do? So on the top here, we have your modes. We're going to use this dial to select what we want it to do. Let's go over to broil. All right, to select this, we're going to push down on the center knob, just a quick click. Now we're in broil. We're going to adjust our time, temperature to what you need it to. Then all you got to do is hit start. You do the same thing for the upper. In the top basket, we're going to be making some of these giant chicken drumsticks. We're going to coat it with some olive oil, seasoned with salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and some smoked paprika for some color. Then when the final turn is done, we're going to take it out, slather it with some of this barbecue sauce, put it back in the air fryer for about 2 to 3 minutes to let this caramelize. And then in the bottom oven, we're going to toss some asparagus and some oyster sauce and some sesame seed oil. Let's have a look at the app. Just a few notes before getting started. You want to make sure that you don't pack your food in the basket or the oven. You want to make sure there's a lot of space in between your food items so that they cook evenly. Here is a look at the oven on the bottom. Beautiful asparagus. Let's get started. This is what the smart home app looks like. I've named my air fryer Chemo's Hot Box. We can see here at the bottom of the air fryer, it's divided into upper basket and lower oven. Just a few things here. When you're reading the directions, make sure you're clearly reading if you're doing frozen or non, because that's going to throw your times off. Also, they give you different times and temperatures if you're going to be using just upper basket, just lower oven, or both. All right, let's get in here. Clicking on the picture of the air fryer. Now, I've already preset these, but we're going to go in them anyway just to check them out. So at the top here, you're going to pick how you want to cook your item. Select air fryer and then adjust your temperature and your cook time. That looks good. 360 at 23 minutes. Select OK. We'll go over to the lower oven. We're going to roast these and it wants 380. So a little bit more there and 1 minute less here. Click OK. Pretty much all set here at the bottom of the screen. There's a sync to finish slider here. We want to make sure that the food finishes at the same time. So we're going to do this and hit start on both. And when you're ready, you got to go over to the actual top of the unit to hit start within 10 minutes to get it to go. And at the ending of the cooking cycle, this is what you're left with. Nice, juicy chicken legs and tender asparagus. Let's cut one of these chicken legs open. Let's have a look inside. Oh yeah. Let me get this piece right here. Just a few closing notes about the air fryer. I noticed that there were no preheating instructions, so just follow the recipe as it is and you're going to be okay. Pay special attention that you're doing frozen or non-frozen, or if you're doing upper, lower, or both at the same time, and you're going to be left with an awesome meal just like this. Once again, guys, this has been the Dual Zone 11 quart air fryer from Midea. Easy to use, easy to maintain. You can cook 2 meals at one time, which means that you are one and done. Well, alright guys, this is the ending of the video. Remember, if you want to purchase this awesome air fryer from Midea and help support the channel, make sure you check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.